Start by putting the vehicle in park. Press on the right side of the charge port door to open it. Plug the connector into the charge port until it clicks. A beep sounds when charging begins. The charge status light blinks green to indicate charging. The longer the blink, the more charged the battery is. The charge status light will blink blue if charging is delayed based on the driver's charge schedule. To end charging, press the release button and unplug the connector. During DC fast charging, which uses the lower part of the charge port, the connector may be locked to the charge port until charging is complete. To unplug before DC fast charging is complete, stop the charge either on the charging station or in the charging app of the touchscreen.